Students, today we shall learn polynomials of class 10. At first, what are polynomial? An expression, an algebraic expression, an(x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 plus so on plus a1x plus a0 is said to be a polynomial of degree n. It will be a polynomial of degree n if an, this coefficient an not is equal to 0. This is the condition to be that this expression will be the polynomial of degree n if an not is equal to 0. Here this an minus 1, an minus 2 and so on, a1, a0 all are constant terms known as coefficient of the variable. For example, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 2, it is a polynomial having only one variable, that is x. What is the degree? Highest power of the variable present here, that is 3. So, it is a polynomial of degree 3. Another example you see, x plus y square minus 3. How many variables are present here? Two variables, x and y. And you see the highest power of the variable y, that is 2. So, the degree of this polynomial is 2. In simple language, what we can say? What is polynomial? In simple language, you can say a combination of variable and constant terms combined by addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That means an algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial if the degree of the variables are non-negative integers. I am telling again, the degree of the variables should be non-negative integers. Then only we can say that algebraic expression is a polynomial. Now the degree of a polynomial. The highest power of the variable present in the polynomial is known as the degree of the polynomial. For example, suppose x cube minus 3x square minus 5. What is the highest power of the variable x here? That is 3. So, degree of the polynomial is 3. Now, in this case, second case, x square minus x to the power 4 plus 7x plus 2. What is the highest power here? X to the power 4, that is 4. So, degree 4. X minus 1, the degree is 1. So, highest power of the variable is 1. So, the degree is 1. Now, we shall see the types of the polynomials depending on the number of terms present in the polynomial. The first one, monomial, that is the polynomial containing only one term, either 2x or minus 3a or 5b, etc. Binomials containing only two terms, that is x plus 3, 2x minus 5, 2y minus 9. Okay, that is, in this case, x is a term and 3 is another term. In this example, 2y is a term and 9 is another term. Okay, so two terms are there. So these are binomials. Trinomials, the polynomial having three terms, x square minus 2x plus 3. X square is a term, 2x is a term and 3 is another term. X plus y plus z. You see, this is a trinomial having only one variable. This is a trinomial x plus y plus z having three variables. Now the types of the polynomial depending on the degree of the polynomial. The first one, linear polynomial, that is highest power of the variable, that is the degree is 1. Example, 2x minus 7. What is the power of x here? 1. Or x plus 3, the power of x is 1. Then quadratic polynomial, the degree 2, x square minus 3x plus 8 example, or x square plus 4. Cubic polynomial, if the degree of the polynomial, that is the highest power of the variable present in the polynomial is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. You can see the examples. Quartic polynomials, that is degree 4, these are the examples, or quintics, quintic polynomial where the degrees are 5. Example, x to the power 5 minus 4, or there was a mistake, it was written 3, it will be 5. You see, in x to the power 5 plus x cube minus x square, what is the highest power of the variable x? 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 5, so it is known as quintic polynomial. Okay. Now, 0 of a polynomial, the value of the variable for which the value of the polynomial becomes 0, that value of the variable is known as the 0 of that particular polynomial. For example, we took the polynomial p of x. This is the process to notify a polynomial p of x, that is equal to, what is the polynomial? 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Okay. Now you see, for x is equal to 1, the value of this p of x becomes 0. Therefore, this x is equal to 1, that is the value of this variable x, that is 1, is called the 0 of 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Now the geometrical interpretation of the 0 of a polynomial. We took one example. Suppose the polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 6. Then for x is equal to 2, the polynomial value of the polynomial becomes 0, and for x is equal to 3, again the value of the polynomial becomes equal to 0. That means 2 and 3, these are the two polynomial, these are the two zeros of this polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. Then what is the geometrical significance of these two? Now, if we draw the graph of this polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6, then it will intersect at x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to 3 to x axis. It intersect, the graph of the polynomial intersect x axis at the value of x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3.